BioTense Cream. BioTense Cream is an ultra-moisturizing, nourishing and firming organic treatment ideal for dehydrated, dry and mature skin lacking firmness. It will be used after the BioTense extract and right before applying sun protection. Combining the diadermic method with microencapsulated active ingredients, BioTense Cream works on the epidermis, the superficial dermis, and up to the facial muscles. Advantage number 1. Immediate lifting, tightening effect. From the first application, BioTense Cream creates an invisible lifting tightening film on the skin surface. The synergy of tightening pullulan, cell-energizing glycogen, and fragmented hyaluronic acid deeply plumps and firms the skin while smoothing the skin texture. BioTense Cream also contains muscle-relaxing acmylaliracea to diminish muscle contraction and smooth expression lines. The face reveals a more youthful, glowing complexion. Advantage number 2. Deep hydration. BioTense Cream contains moisturizing hyaluronic acid and regenerating argan oil to help restore the skin's protective barrier and promote skin hydration. With the daily use, the signs of dehydration are visibly reduced, the skin is left ultra soft with a silky finish. Advantage number 3. Antioxidant, anti-pollution. BioTense Cream provides a daily antioxidant and anti-pollution protections against everyday environmental aggressors. It offers the benefit of bentonite clay, stabilized vitamin C and vitamin E. As a reminder, bentonite clay acts as a toxin magnet to capture pollutants from the skin. Vitamin C and vitamin E provide full antioxidant protection against free radicals for a radiant and youthful glowing skin. Results: the skin is immediately more hydrated, softer, and smoother. After 28 days of use, the face contour looks firmer and more defined. Dehydration lines and wrinkles are visibly reduced. The skin reveals a brighter and younger, healthy complexion. How to use it? Apply 1 pump of BioTense Cream on the face, neck, and décolleté. Gently massage until the cream is completely absorbed.